PayPal payments to Shopify in 2023. Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we're going to take a look on how to add PayPal payments in Shopify. This is a really easy process and I'll walk you through it step by step. Adding PayPal payments to your Shopify store is essential because it increases sales, reduces abandoned carts, improves your customer satisfaction, and helps you to grow your business. PayPal improves customer satisfaction because customers want to have a convenient and secure shopping experience. By offering PayPal, you can provide your customers with a payment method that they know and trust, and this can improve your customer satisfaction and loyalty. The first thing that we need to do is to go to your Shopify store, and then on the left side of your dashboard, click Settings and then click Payments. As you can see in here, there are Shopify payments or any payment providers that you want, or additional payment methods such as by default PayPal or Amazon Pay, or you can add payment methods, or you can also have manual payment methods. Since we are focused on PayPal, we were going to activate our PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create one for free at paypal.com. And then after clicking PayPal, click this Activate PayPal Express checkout. And then we are going to be redirected to paypal.com to sign up or log in our account in PayPal. For this one, it will be asked your email address and your country or region, and then just click Next. And then after putting your information, you will need to have a business account to accept payments on Shopify. And then you will be asked to convert your personal account to business or to create a new business account. For this one, I will be choosing to create a new business account. Then click Next. And then you will be asked to allow PayPal to connect your account with Shopify. And in order for PayPal to work properly on your site, Shopify needs your permission. So if you want to authorize Shopify to use your PayPal checkout to process payments, issue a refund, process your customers' debit or credit card payments, authorize and capture your PayPal transactions, charge an existing customer based on previous transactions, accept or refuse pending transactions, access your PayPal contact information, and obtain information about a single transaction. And if you want to learn more, just click this one and then you agree and connect. And then you will be asked for a feedback. It's just very easy. Click Next, put whatever feedback you want, then just click this X. And then you will be asked to confirm, and then thanks for signing up. You have now an account and you've successfully integrated PayPal with Shopify. Don't forget to confirm. And then let's go back to Shopify. And then you will be directed to your Shopify store. And then as you can see, the status is already active. And as you can see here, the PayPal Express checkout is now enabled on your Shopify store, and customers will be able to check out using PayPal when they place an order to your Shopify store. If you have any problems adding or using payment method, please contact Shopify support for help. And that is it. It was really easy to add PayPal payments to Shopify, and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tutorials. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you the next time.